Dadaan tayo dyan. And then, so guys, this is the Hoover Dam. And then mo makikita yan sa movie na Universal Soldiers. Inakyat yan ng mga Universal Soldiers si Cloud Van Damme. Yan. And this, yung isang side na to guys, this is Nevada, and the other side is Arizona. So this Hoover Dam is supplying power to the part of Nevada State and part of Arizona State. There you go. Yan ang nagpo-produce ng electricity kanya ng pre-COVID. Pwede ka dyang bumaba ngayon sa Vienna. So this is one of the engineering marvel in its days. Guys, that's it. So guys, this is the view. Hi, son. Okay.
Itong area na to, where you see this one, yan ang Arizona area tong part na to. Down below is Nevada.
Nawag ka na operator ah. Guys, pababa tayo sa baba ng Hoover Dam.
That's where you were a while ago,
Yeah,
right? That bridge, yung sa taas na yan. Naglakad siya sa taas na yan sa may railings. Did you take picture down below?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, din ako galing
So
guys
you
dyan.
came from there, right? You've been there a while ago.
So,
You were up there.
sa baba naman tayo.
We are going down. Hoover Dam, where the movies, part of the movies, San Andreas Fault and Universal Soldiers were shot. Ito yung part na nag-earthquake at nasira ito sa San Andreas Fault. I remember, di ko lang ma-remember. Oh, this was the part sa movie na San Andreas Fault kung saan nag-start mag-earthquake and nagbitak-bitak tong area na to.
So, ang tourist guide dito dati, pababa at sa baba talaga.
Pero ngayon hindi na.
Parang I'm not really sure kung meron namang, parang wala.
Meron na bang tour?
Parang wala. Parang wala sila din.
Okay. So, which part is Arizona?
This part is Arizona.
On the right side.
Yeah.
Right? On this side is Arizona area. On this side, on the left, is the
Nevada.
Nevada area.
So, dito ngayon din namin yung mga tao. Medyo wala na nagmamas. Medyo
Not all. Hindi naman lahat hindi nagmamask. People are still wearing their mask.
so
Oh yeah, that is the Nevada time, yung area sa left.
So the dam was created in
1931.
1931.
Fully functional ba on 1935? Is that what it means?
So marami pa rin mga
So
tao.
we've been here for how many times?
Let me show you the
We just came back here just so that we can show you what this Hoover Dam is.
So at least marami rin pa rin tao na pumupunta.
Marami na sa kanila walang mask. Arizona time. Okay.
So this one is in Arizona. State. Grabe guys, ang difference ng weather dito sa Arizona at saka sa
Ang init dito.
Ang init dito.
Umalis kami sa Arizona with temperatures in the 30s. Ngayon is in the 66 degrees Fahrenheit. Napakainit. Nag-alis na ng jacket si Roy.
So, itong ilog guys, this is the Colorado River. Galing ng Colorado sa taas pa, dumaan sa Grand Canyon. Ilang state ang dinaanan niya bago dumaan dito sa Nevada.
Are parking? Are you gonna be parking?
No, we're gonna be parking down top.
On top?
Yeah.
Diyan sa taas na yan. Okay. Oh, that's it. Oh, yeah. And walk out.
So guys, doon tayo sa tulay na yan kanina. Yung kinuha ko ng picture, doon tayo sa tulay na yan. Tingnan natin yung ilog guys. guys, this is the famous Hoover Dam of Nevada. And this is the famous Colorado River that shaped the Grand Canyon.
Grand Canyon.
So we are in Nevada again.
Nevada area. Sa taas yung kung saan nakita yung Arizona time, yun ang start ng Arizona. May mga camera dun sa taas. So, this is now the Nevada time. So I'm thinking is 1931 is the begin where they started the construction of this, right?
They finished this one in the time of Roosevelt.
Oh, okay. President Roosevelt. What is this for? Kasi?
Some workers dedicated to the in fitting at the flag of
Next is the star that represents the birth of Christ, starting the top.
Okay, so
That's
we're
it.
leaving the area to go straight to Las Vegas.
Hey guys, thank you for
To
watching.
go to Jollibee.
Hey, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching, guys.
Nice.
See you
Yeah.
again to our next vlog. If you find this worthy, please do subscribe our channel, like and share,
Yeah, look
and
at-
hit the notification bell.
Look at the bridge up. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sure. Okay, so once again, mga kaibigan, mga kapatid, guys, every one of you who got the chance to watch this vlog of ours, as I told you, as I said a while ago, if you find this informational or if you like our video, please hit the subscribe button, share your comment below, hit the notification bell, and if it's okay with you guys, please share. Thank you so much. Have a good day, everyone, and God bless everyone. Bye bye.